Hello students, I am Anju Mathur from Raval Convent School. Today I am going to explain you phrases. Phrases. A phrase is a group of related words that is used as a single part of speech. It will not contain both a subject and a verb. Examples: should have been practicing. There is no subject. Behind the wood pile. There is no subject or verb. Types of phrases. There are 7 types of phrases: noun, verb, adjectival, adverbial, participle, prepositional, absolute. Noun phrase. A noun phrase includes a noun, a person, place, or a thing, and the modifiers which distinguish it. Think of it as a phrase that plays the role of a noun. I like singing in the bath versus I like it. We know that the underlined portion in the first sentence is a noun phrase because we can replace it with a pronoun. Noun phrase examples. I know the back streets versus I know them. I have met the last remaining chief versus I have met him. Verb phrase. A verb phrase includes the main verb and one or more helping verbs. Example: Sammy was born in Miami, Florida. He did live in Austin, Texas capital. Have you not seen the owners of this home? Verb phrases example. We have traveled to Mexico. She has been teaching us English phrases. We couldn't wait for our first tour of the country. Becca's family didn't move to Japan until last semester. Adverbs are not a part of verb phrases. Not, never, also, again. Prepositional phrases. A prepositional phrase will include the preposition, the object of the preposition, and any modifiers that might be included. Example: they will fish by the river. Preposition is by, object of the preposition, river, modifier, the. You will not always have a modifier in the prepositional phrase. List of common prepositions: about, by, outside, above, despite, over, across, down, past, after, during, since, against, except, through, along, for, throughout, among, from, till, around, in, to, at, inside, out, toward, before, info, under, behind, like, underneath, below, near, until, beneath, of, up, beside, of, upon, between, on, with, beyond, onto, within, but, without. Prepositional phrases examples. The man from Texas is here. Notice that there is no modifier in this prepositional phrase. The mantle was decorated with 7 wreaths. Preposition with, object wreaths, and modifier 7. I have already looked in the closet, the bathroom, and the bedroom. There are 3 objects in this sentence within the prepositional phrase. Adjectival phrases. An adjectival phrase is a prepositional phrase that modifies a noun or a pronoun. A prepositional phrase can be used to modify different parts of a sentence. So every prepositional phrase is not also an adjectival phrase. Adjectival phrase examples. Examples: the theme of the story is love. The adjectival phrase modifies the noun theme. The letter from my dad about the trip is funny. Both adjectival phrase modify the noun letter. Many of the paintings by the artist have been sold. The first adjectival phrase of the paintings modifies the pronoun many. The second adjectival phrase by that artist modifies the noun paintings. Participle phrases. A participle phrase is an adjectival phrase that begins with a participle. A participle is a verb that is given an ending that turns it into an adjective. The verb rise, The past participle is the rising sun. The present participle, the rising sun. To cook, the cooked fish, the cooking fish. To break, the broken heart, the breaking heart. Participle phrase examples. Rising out of the sea in front of us, the whale was breathtakingly strong and majestic. Rising is the participle. The phrase describes the noun whale. Printed on the very first press, the document was highly celebrated. Broken by the stone, the window had to be replaced before the next rain. Absolute phrases. An absolute phrase is a participle, a noun, and any modifiers. Unlike some of the other phrases, an absolute phrase will modify the entire clause. Examples of absolute phrase. Legs quivering. Legs is the noun and quivering is the participle. Together they make the absolute phrase. Less quivering. Our old dog Gizmo dreamed of chasing squirrels. The absolute phrase modifies the entire clause. Her arms folded across her chest. Arms noun. Folded participle. Her or across her chest modifiers. Notice that this is not a complete thought. Therefore, an absolute phrase is not a sentence itself. Her arms folded across her chest. Professor Hill warned the class about the penalties of the plagiarism. Adverbial phrases. An adverbial phrase is a prepositional phrase that is used to modify a verb, an adjective, or an adverb. Make sure to identify the word that the prepositional phrase modifies, or you will get confused on how the prepositional phrases are being used in a sentence. Adverbial phrase examples. Samantha ran to the store. The adverbial phrase modifies the verb ran. Ran where? The pilot is aware of the situation. The adverbial phrase modifies the adjective aware. Early in the morning, she had her doorbell ring. The adverbial phrase modifies the adverb early. Hope you are clear with the topic. Thank you.